Hello children, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to discuss about a multiplication. This is a math class, multiplication. In previous section you already learned two-digit number multiple with a single-digit number and three-digit number multiple with again a single-digit number also. Today we are going to learn three-digit number multiple with two-digit numbers. Okay, let's first start the sum. While entering into the multiplication sum, you all first recall your tables. You already learned 2 to 10 tables. So you first you all recall your tables once again. First start the sum. Okay, 563 multiple with 21. See, this is a three-digit number multiple with two-digit number. So, ones, tens, 100. So, three-digit. Here's a two-digit. 1, tens. So, two-digit number. In the sum, we are going to use one table and two table. Okay, children. The sum, one table and two table. So, first you recall your two table and one table. See, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Okay, now let's start the sum. First write 563. This is a column multiplication. 563 first. And write it at 21 below. 21. Okay children. 563 multiple with 21. Which means first you multiple the number in 1. That means 563 multiple with 1. Then 563 multiple with 20. That means 1 in ones place, 2 in tens place. Which means 2 tens. That is 20. 2 tens, that is 20. So you multiple with 563 with 20. First ones place. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Again 1 6s are 6. 1 5s are 5. You know that. Then move to tens place. That is 20. 2 in tens place. So that is 20. First you write 0. Multiple with any number with the 0. You get the answer 0. So first you write 0. Then move to 2. Then start with 2. So 2 3s are. See, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 6 are 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So two-digit number. You don't write two-digit number. First write 2 in here. This place. Balance 1 you want to carry over here. Okay children. You get a two-digit number. Mean first write only one number here. Balance 1 want to carry over to the next number. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Already I have 1. So add a 1. 10 plus 1 11. Now write 11 here. Clear children? First 1 3s are 3. 1 6 are 6. 1 5s are 5. Then move to 2. First write 0. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Write 2 here. Balance 1 you want to carry over at the top. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. I'm writing 11. Now you want to add. We get the products. Okay. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Then 6 plus 6, 12. 2. Balance 1. Carry over here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2 is? 8. Then 1, 1. That's all. This is a final product we get. The answer is 11,823. So first you want to multiply with a 2-digit number for any number. Write below 1 below to 1. First the number 563. Then multiplication. The multiplicand number is 21. Then start with the ones place number. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 6 6. 1 5s are 5. Then move to tens place number. So first write 10 because 2 in tens place is 20. 0 here. 0 multiply with any number. We get the answer 0. So first write 0. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So write 2. Balance 1 want to carry over at the top to next number. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Write 11. But finally add all the product we get. So 3 plus 0 3. 6 plus 6 12. 2 balance 1 here. Move to the next number. Carry over. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. Then 11. Here 1 and 1. So write here 11. So the final answer 563 multiplied with 21. The answer is 11,823. Okay children. Pause. Okay, let's see this again sum. 783 multiple with 53. Okay children, first write the number 783, then 53 below. Okay, first start a ones place number. 3 multiple with 3. So 3 3s are 9. In this sum, we are going to use the 5 table and 3 table. Okay. So first 3 3s are 9. See, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 8s are. What is the answer? 3 8s are. Writing the rough column. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So 2-digit number 4. Write 4 here. Balance 2 want to carry over to next one. Then 3 7s are 21. Then already we have 2. So 21 plus 2. 23. Right? 23 here. Okay, first 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So write 4. Balance 2 carry over to next number. Then 3 7s are 21. Already you have 2. So 21 plus 2, 23. Write 23. Okay, now multiple with 50. That is 5 in tens place. So we consider as a 50. So first write 0. First place write 0. Then 5 3s are. 5 3s are 50. So write 5 here. Balance 1 want to carry over to next one. Then 5 8s are 40. Already you have 1. So 40 plus 1. 41. 1. Balance 4 want to carry over. So next to 5 7s are 35. Already have 4. So 35 plus 4 39. 39. Clear children? First 5 threes are 50. Write 5, balance 1, carry over to next number. Then 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. Write 1, balance 1, balance 4, carry over to the next number. Then 5. So 7 fives are 35. Already we have 4. So 35 plus 4, 39. So write the answer also. 783 multiple with 50. The answer is 39,150. Okay, now you add all the product we get. That is 2,349 add with 39,150. Okay, first ones place number 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 9, 11. So 1, balance 1, carry over here. Then 1 plus 3, 4. The final product is 41,499. Clear children? So 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 9, 11. So 1, balance 1, carry over here. 1 plus 3, 4. So this is 3-digit number multiple with 2-digit number. That is a 783 multiple with 53. We get the answer 41,499. That's all children. I hope you all understand these two sums. We see the next class. Thank you.